TV Jamaica. Yo, Magic Touch, big up Magic Touch all. 17210 Linden. So yo brother, may I tell you say you're good enough. You're good, man. I know say you're bad at all, boy. You're international enough.
You keep the things simple and keep
Yes,
it real.
man. That's how you do it, man.
You know, go around and so you do, but you do what you do, and that's how it thing go. Yeah?
Oh, bless up for that, man. And I like your vibes, and you know you sound good. You're rich far. Trust me, you're rich far. You're young boy, you're rich far. All right. So, yeah, so where you plan to take this career now, really?
You know what's the lighting? And many years, you know. And during the time, different things come up at different times. You have a focus on different things, family, work, and whatever. And you have, but the music always there. Eh? And there comes a time when you have to decide, so, well, it's now or never. And for me, as you can see, I'm not spring chicken, but so it's now or never. So I go full blast, yeah? Full 100, yeah.
Yeah, well, respect for that still here, brother. And God bless you everywhere through the journey. Yes, sir. And we hope to see you soon again, someplace, somewhere, somehow. But big up BTV
Yeah,
Jamaica.
man.
And, you know, bless up
BTV.
with say.
Bless oneself, you know.
Big up Magic Touch, same way, yeah?
Where's the intro? You want to look at the sample? Yeah. All right, let me see. Catch me off guard, cause when them things arrive, you don't know where to go. So. I'll give you all, I'll give you everything, for it's you, baby. That's why I sing. I'll give you all, I'll give you everything. It's for you, baby. That's why I sing. Want something else? BTV, big up on yourself. So many things there. You know, so enough things so. Maybe I think I will sing for one, you know. All right, so we say. Jehovah, blessed friend of mine. Where's your one? Some Christian lyrics? Jehovah, blessed friend of mine. Almighty God, Savior divine. Help stop this world from this great decline and take us back to a gentler time. Jehovah, blessed King of kings, ruler of the earth and all the great things. He'll stop this world from this great decline and take us back to a gentler time. BTV, me say. Take us back to the days of Moses and Joshua. Back to the days of the prophet Elijah. Back to the days of the Queen of Sheba. Even take us back to Samson and Delilah. Things didn't go on, but there was less war. Every man was the same, no one was a star. When man helped them, brethren, and made them go far. Those were the days when Jesus and man par. Yeah. I'm so weird. You want it again? Yeah?